Well, the new Kodak Capture Pro is out. So let's see what's new. We have data integrity additions where you can now have double key verification of a field. This is the classic way to verify data. Of course, there's still the more advanced methods of using database lookup if you have the uh, ability to use that one. But when you don't, double key verification works great. Intelligent QC, there's more interactive features that have been added. And PDF output has some enhancements. We can now output encrypted PDF documents. And as well as outputting them encrypted, we can have the fast web view turned on. So that's always nice. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the changes in the job setup. If we go over to the index tab, you can see now where the double entry is over there. So we can check that off if we want to do double entry. And we also have database lookup. What I'd like to show first, though, is something that we can do for the last name, which is going to be used as part of the file name. So I have this substitute characters section here. And since it's going to be a file name, one of the things I see a lot of times in file names is a comma. And that's just really bad form. So I'm going to change that so that whenever I see a comma, I'm going to get a space. And the other thing that you might see sometimes are slashes. And slashes are not really good in a file system since it's not permitted. So whenever I see a slash, I'll change it to a dash. And let's do the other slash and do the same thing. Okay, so I mean, I could do other things for characters that aren't permitted in file names. But this will do for now. And then on the database lookup page, we're showing that that I have a lookup here that's going to a database, and now I have two areas where I can actually look up an index. So if I wanted to look up a loan number and also for loans that were just in 2012, for example, I could add that criteria here and filter down my selection list. The idea is that you want to get the database lookup without having a hit list to have to pick from. So, and then of course when I get my hit, I'm going to fill in the last name with the last name value. So that's pretty straightforward. So what else do we have here? Now, when I've scanned my form in, I'm going to add my loan number in up here. And let's see where the index is. Okay, so when I add my loan number in up here, it's automatically pulling the last name from the database lookup that I have on my SQL server. So that's an ideal situation there. Okay, so the other things in the job setup that we have are in the output, my PDF function. I have the ability to encrypt it. So I can put my password in there, and I can also turn on the fast web view, which is really nice for bringing those up quickly from the web. Okay, so here we see that it's output the file. We have the loan number dash, the last name dash, and the document ID number. And if we go to open this, it's asking us for our password. And so we open it, and there we go. Fully encrypted PDF file. It doesn't get any safer than that.